finance, credit, investments, economical categories. Scientific works in the theories of finances and credit, according to the specification of the research object, are characterized to be many-sided and many-leveled. The definition of totality of the economical relations formed in the process of formation, distribution and usage of finances, as money sources is widely spread. For example, in the general theory of finances there are two definitions of finances. 1. Finances reflect economical relations, formation of the funds of money sources, in the process of distribution and redistribution of national receipts according to the distribution and usage. This definition is given relatively to the conditions of capitalism, when cash-commodity relations gain universal character. 2. Finances represent the formation of centralized and decentralized money sources, economical relations relatively with the distribution and usage, which serve for fulfillment of the state functions and obligations and also provision of the conditions of the widened further production. This definition is brought without showing the environment of its action. We share partly such explanation of finances and think expedient to make some specification. First, finances overcome the bounds of distribution and redistribution service of the national income, though it is a basic foundation of finances. Also, formation and usage of the depreciation fund, which is the part of financial domain, belongs not to the distribution and redistribution of the national income, of newly formed value during a year, but to the distribution of already developed value. This latest first appears to be a part of value of main industrial funds, later it is moved to the cost price of a ready product, that is to the value too, and after its realization, and it is set the depression fund. Its source is taken into account beforehand as a depression kind in the consistence of the ready product's cost price. In the manuals of the political economy we meet with the following definitions of finances. Finances of the socialistic state represent economical, cash, relations, with the help of which, in the way of planned distribution of the incomes and savings, the funds of money sources of the state and socialistic manufactures are formed for guaranteeing the growth of the production, rising the material and cultural level of the people, and for satisfying other general society requests. The system of creation and usage of necessary funds of cash resources for guaranteeing socialistic widened further production represent exactly the finances of the socialistic society. And the totality of economical relations arisen between state, manufactures and organizations, branches, regions and separate citizen according to the movement of cash funds make financial relations. As we've seen, definitions of finances made by financiers and political economists do not differ greatly. In every discussed position there are 1. Expression of essence and phenomenon in the definition of finances. 2. The definition of finances, as the system of the creation and usage of funds of cash sources on the level of phenomenon. 3. Distribution of finances as social product and the value of national income, definition of the distribution's planned character, main goals of the economy and economical relations, for servicing of which it is used.